Bayad cash or home loan, anong mas okay? Makakapitbahay, bibili ka ba ng bahay or condo? Pero mas okay bang bayaran ng cash or home loan? Tara, ikumpara natin yan. Sa option 1 muna tayo, no, which is cash payment. Number 1, pro nito is walang interest. Mas mura in the long run. Number 2, no monthly payment. So, wala ka nang isipin kada buwan. And number 3, madaling mai-transfer to sa pangalan mo. Tara, punta naman tayo sa con. Number 1 is of course, mabigat siya sa bulsa. Of course, kailangan mo ng malaking pera agad-agad. And less liquidity, mahirap nang maka-invest sa iba pang bagay kasi na ipunta mo na lahat doon sa property na kailangan mo bayaran. Therefore, kung ikaw ay may malaking savings at ayaw mo ng utang, then cash payment is for you. Tara, option 2 naman tayo, which is home loan. Number 1 pro is, syempre, pwede mong mabili kahit wala ka pang kumpletong pangbayad. Parang baby steps, unti-unti mo siyang babayaran. At least, di ba, you have a place to stay na. And may property ka na rin. Baliktaran naman ng first option. Number 2 na pro is meron kang iba pang pera pang invest. So, meron ka pang extra money to invest maybe sa mga businesses, stocks, UITFs. And number 3, pwede kang mag-avail ng promos and other flexible terms. Tara, punta tayo sa cons. Number 1 is, of course, merong interest at mas mahal siya in the long run. Number 2 is lifelong commitment. Kasi yung iba, for example, binabayaran siya for 10 years hanggang 30 years. Pero nasa sayo naman yan kung bibilisan mo ang pagbayad. And number 3, may risk ng foreclosure kapag hindi nakabayad. Kaya kung gusto mo mang-invest at ayaw mong maubos ang savings mo, then home loan is for you. So, tatanungin kita, ikaw ba ay team cash or team home loan? Comment down below. If you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.